Huadian CNC VL1250 vertical turn mill machining center, a masterpiece of industrial aesthetics. The core engine for intelligent manufacturing in the future, equipped with the advanced Japanese Phonak CNC system. It centers on ultra-high precision control, accurately meeting the processing needs of high-end components. The intelligent movement of the crossbeam combined with extension of the square ram enables high-rigidity cutting of workpieces. High-pressure central water outlet reaches directly to the tool tip, powerfully flushing chips and increasing the service life of tools by 30%. It is configured with an ATC multi-station automatic tool magazine to realize one-time processing and forming of complex parts. The automatic tool setter works in coordination with the CNC system to quickly achieve workpiece measurement and tool compensation. The C-axis is equipped with a high-resolution circular grating measurement feedback, ensuring the consistency of geometric processing of complex curved surfaces. The automatic chip removal system allows for efficient recovery of iron chips. This machine tool has functions such as turning, milling, drilling, tapping, grinding, etc. And can realize one-time processing and forming of complex components. Huadian CNC, your choice for the future.